Distinguished Dr. Tajinder Kaur Taliwalji, Director Education SGPC, Dr. Karamveer Singh, Principal Dasmesh Khalsa College, Zirakpur, worthy resource persons, learned delegates from academics, a very good morning to one and all. I am Amanpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in the Department of English. I feel privileged to welcome you all on the first day of 5-day faculty development program on new pedagogies, creative learning and creative teaching, a futuristic approach. We are delighted to find the participants joining this FDP from different states, namely Haryana, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Nagaland, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, UP, and believe me, I cannot name them all. Feeling enthusiastic for such a wonderful response. The very interesting part of this FDP is that although it was intended to address the college and university faculty members, but a lot of schools have also linked up with us. We welcome them all and hope we would be able to cater to their interests as well. We will certainly remember this time for the rest of our lives. At least briefly, we will appreciate the smaller things in life a bit more, and I hope this FDP will become one of that smaller things. The research cell aims to nurture research culture in the students, teachers and faculties, and this particular program is designed in purview of COVID-19 disruption, which has given education fraternity time to ponder over teaching sector. This faculty development program is mapped out to introduce the academic fraternity with tools and strategies to make the teaching learning process interesting. Let us rethink how to educate the Generation Z, Alpha and beyond as the educator grapple with the new ways of communicating with students. We need to redefine the role of educator. This FDP strives to train the educators for post-pandemic teaching by covering the different pedagogies being followed both in the actual classrooms and the virtual classrooms. This course will run from 20th June to 24th June 2020. Now let us have the pleasure of listening to the opening remarks of Honorable Director Dr. Tajinder Kaur Taliwalji. I would like to request respected Principal Dasmesh Khalsa College, Zirakpur, Dr. Karamveer Singh ji to address the gathering, and I would also like to request Dean Academic Professor Manveen Kaur to address the gathering with her words.
I would like to congratulate Dr. Karamveer Singh ji, Principal Dasmesh Khalsa College, Zirakpur, and all the members of organizing committee for organizing a very informative faculty development program. Pedagogy in general is defined as the study of the process of teaching. Then creative pedagogy is defined as the science and art of creative teaching. Creative pedagogy is a branch of pedagogy that emphasizes the leading role of creativity for successful learning. In its essence, creative pedagogy teaches learners how to learn creatively and become creators of themselves and creators of their future. In the 21st century, significant changes are occurring related to new scientific discoveries and globalization, the development of astronauts, robotics, and artificial intelligence. The century is called the age of digital technologies and knowledge. It introduced significant changes in the teaching methods. Pedagogy of the 20th century differs from the pedagogy of the 21st century. Since the beginning of the 21st century, there have been many changes in the development of national and world education. The most observable phenomena is now the penetration of digital technologies into the learning. Digital technologies change our way of life, way of communication, way of thinking, feelings, channels of influences on other people, social skills, and social behavior. As it's well said, the high-tech environment, computers, smartphones, video games, internet search engines reshape the human brain. Dear friends, the theoretical changes in the pedagogy lie behind the most obvious tendency. Pedagogy in the domestic science was redefined from the science of upbringing, teaching and learning to the science of upbringing and education. Upbringing in the broad pedagogical sense is a purposeful influence of the society to prepare the young generation for life. Upbringing in the narrow pedagogical sense is a purposeful influence on the development of specific personal quality. The subject of the 21st century pedagogy, the category education, has expanded the scope of meaning and understanding. Competence and personal-oriented approaches have been introduced. 10 innovative learning strategies for modern pedagogies are there, like crossover learning, learning through augmentation, incidental learning, context-based learning, computational thinking, learning by doing with remote labs, etc., adaptive teaching, analytics of emotions. My dear young men and women, you are to lead the country, not only in the education sectors, but in all spheres, say it administration, politics, science or technology. Without digital technologies and innovative methods, no one can succeed in this era. So, arranging this webinar is the need of the hour to prepare the young learners for emerging challenges. With these words, I say best of luck to all participants and experts.
Hello everyone, my sincerest greetings to all. Dashmesh Khalsa College Zirakpur is a premier institute running under the management of SGPC Shri Amritsar Sahib and is situated in the immediate vicinity of Zirakpur near Gurdwara Shri Nabha Sahib. The college is affiliated to Punjabi University Patiala. Since its inception in the year 2014, the college is running successfully and leaving its imprints in every sphere, maybe education, maybe cultural, sports, etc. Under the patronage of SGPC President Sardar Gobind Singh Ji Longowal and able guidance of Secretary Education SGPC Sardar Mahinder Singh Ji Ali and Director Education SGPC Shrimati Tajinder Kaur Ji Taliwal, Dashmesh Khalsa College Zirakpur is leaving no stone unturned in putting best of its efforts for the betterment of students and teaching faculty members at large. The latest initiative of the college, that is the Faculty Development Program, is an effort to prepare the faculty members of the universities, colleges and other institutions to cope up with the challenges which the present times have thrown upon us. It is an effort to prepare the faculty members for the future so that society at large can be served in a better way. The COVID-19 pandemic has thrown life ups and down and has affected the education system the most. Although technical changes were taking place in the past also, but that were affecting only a smaller part of population. But the present scenario at the world level has stressed upon to bring the changes in the education sector at the earliest. Moreover, it is not only the technical changes which requires our attention the most, but the changes in physical and psychological environment at educators as well as learners' ends, which also needs our attention urgently. This FDP strives to reskill and upskill the educators for the post-pandemic teachings. I feel humbled in putting my gratitude towards the learned resource persons of this FDP, without whose precious contribution this FDP wouldn't have been a success. It would have been a distant dream for us. Their expert views on the topic and subtopics will immensely help the participants in preparing themselves for the future. And at last, I must congratulate my team members, my staff members, especially Professor Manveen Kaur, Professor Amanpreet Kaur, Professor Mala Malik, my other teaching and non-teaching staff members for making this FDP a reality. May God bless us, our team, with courage and strength so as to come up in terms with the expectations of the participants of this FDP. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to all the participants for joining this FDP and giving us an opportunity to contribute towards the overall well-being of the society. Hope you will relish this FDP. Thank you very much.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to all the participants in this faculty development program. It has been long believed that the most important resource that any institution of higher education has is faculty member who teach knowledge and skill to students. Faculty members need to be prepared enough by a variety of faculty development programs in order to deal with the rapid changes and shifting paradigms in education and teaching delivery system. Without such training, teaching is often reduced to instructors presenting their understanding of subject by one-way lecturing. Faculty development has been defined as a wide range of activities that institutes apply to support faculty member roles. This included program designed to improve the performance of faculty member in education, research and administration, and as well as augmenting organizational capacity and culture. Over the past 5 decades, faculty development activity evolves in focus and expanded progressively. High-quality professional training programs for faculty members have become essential to higher education institute in order to be able to compete in the ever-changing world. Professional training programs produce promising outcomes in the learning and teaching practices, and many FDPs have proven effective in developing faculty skills and education leadership. So we at the Dashmesh Khalsa College have made an effort to provide a platform that enable all its participants to enhance their knowledge and skill by organizing our faculty development program on the theme of new pedagogy, creative learning and creative teaching, a futuristic approach. There is a growing interest in the role and relevance of creativity and innovation in the field of education so as to be able to respond effectively to the development of the knowledge, society, and to become more competitive in economics and social terms. In the field of education, creativity is more strongly linked to learning and innovation to teaching. Hence, we have two notions of creative learning and innovative teaching. Research indicates that for the multitude of reasons, creativity is currently not at the center of education practice. This suggests that there is a need for the change in pedagogy toward a more permissive environment, which cherishes students' ideas, encourages risk-taking and mistakes, and allow learners to assume ownership of their learning. The traditional configuration of school space, time, and structure also need a shift and reorganization for creativity to blossom. The rapid development and take up technology, especially by young peoples, has a significant impact on education, challenging educators and institutions to address the changed learning pattern and need of their students. The emergence of social computing application in particular allow for personalization of learning paths. The fostering of creativity and innovation cannot only rely on the intention of educators and pupils, as there are several conditions to be met to promote a creative and innovative learning environment. So, and I am sure that this faculty development program will enable us to explore such mechanism and framework that provide a creative learning environment. Once again, I welcome each of you and hope that this FDP is gainful learning experience for all of us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.